Welcome to Reviews Heaven, where we bring you the best product reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best digital kitchen scales, the perfect tools for anyone who loves cooking, baking, or meal prepping with precision. Whether you're looking for accuracy, style, or value, we've got the perfect kitchen scales lined up for you. From sleek stainless steel designs to compact and easy-to-store options, each scale offers unique features to make your cooking experience effortless. Stay tuned as we break down the top choices, their key features, and why they should be a part of your kitchen essentials. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Stainless Steel Food Scale. Introducing the OXO Good Grips 11-pound stainless steel food scale with pull-out display. A perfect tool for precision in the kitchen. Whether you're a home cook or a baker, this food scale is designed to make weighing ingredients hassle-free. This scale comes with a stainless steel platform that's smudge and fingerprint resistant, making it easy to maintain a clean look. It has a pull-out display that prevents shadows from large bowls, ensuring you always see your measurements clearly. The unit conversion button allows you to switch between ounces, grams, pounds, and kilograms with ease. The tare function is great for resetting the scale when adding multiple ingredients. Plus, the removable platform makes cleaning simple. Users love the scale's accuracy and quality, with many appreciating the easy-to-read, backlit display. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use food scale, the OXO Good Grips is a top choice. Perfect for anyone focused on portion control or precise measurements. Number 2. Ozeri Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen Scale. Introducing the Ozeri Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen and Food Scale, an affordable yet high-performing kitchen tool. With its sleek black-on-red design and advanced sensor technology, this scale is perfect for home chefs or anyone tracking their diet. The Pronto scale can weigh up to 11.24 pounds, 5,100 grams, with precise 1-gram increments. Its unit button easily switches between 6 units, grams, ounces, pounds, kilograms, ml, and lbs, making it versatile for various recipes. The tare function allows you to subtract the weight of containers, ensuring you measure ingredients accurately. It features a wide LCD display for easy reading and has a compact size, making it easy to store. The tactile buttons give audible clicks for assurance during use. It runs on 2 AAA batteries, which are included, and has a 2-minute automatic shutoff to save battery life. Ideal for everyday cooking or even as a postage scale, the Ozeri Pronto combines practicality with precision. Its ease of use, durability, and great value make it a must-have for any kitchen. Number 3. Escali Primo Digital Food Scale. Meet the Escali Primo Digital Food Scale, a bestseller known for its simplicity and precision. Whether you're measuring ingredients for baking or controlling portion sizes, this scale provides accurate readings every time. The scale features an easy 2-button operation, making it simple to switch between units and tare the weight for added ingredients. It can measure up to 11 pounds, 5,000 grams, in 1-gram increments, ideal for precise cooking. The sealed control panel ensures durability and protects against spills, while the automatic shutoff feature saves battery life. This compact, 8.5x 6-inch scale takes up minimal counter space and is lightweight, making it easy to store. It's available in multiple colors and comes with a lifetime warranty for long-term peace of mind. Customers appreciate its accuracy and ease of use, though some note the small platform may obstruct the display when using larger plates. For anyone looking for a dependable, space-saving kitchen scale, the Escali Primo is a top choice. It's perfect for portion control, recipe accuracy, and daily kitchen tasks. Number 4. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale. Introducing the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, a sleek and compact digital scale designed for precision in the kitchen. Ideal for meal prep, baking, and portion control. This scale offers both style and functionality with its 304 stainless steel surface and backlit LCD display. This scale supports 5 measurement units, making it versatile for all your kitchen needs. It can weigh up to 11 pounds, 5 kilograms, with 1 gram precision, ensuring accurate results for even the smallest ingredients. The tare function allows you to subtract the weight of containers, making it easy to measure net weights. The compact design makes it easy to store, and cleaning is a breeze with its stainless steel surface. The backlit display stays lit for 30 seconds for easy reading, and the auto-off function helps conserve battery life. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, it's portable and convenient. With its accuracy, ease of use, and stylish design, the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. Whether you're on a diet or love to bake, this scale is a great addition to any kitchen. Number 5. Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. The Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale is a sleek and versatile kitchen tool, ideal for precise measurements in cooking, baking, or meal prep. With its stainless steel platform and BPA-free components, it's designed for both durability and safety. This scale weighs up to 11 pounds, 5,000 grams, with a minimum of 2 grams, providing precise measurements for both small and large tasks. It supports multiple units, pounds, ounces, grams, fluid ounces, and milliliters, making it highly versatile. The tare function lets you measure just the food by subtracting the container's weight, and the clear LCD display ensures easy reading. With its compact design and battery operation, batteries included, this scale is lightweight and easy to store. The stainless steel surface is simple to clean with a quick wipe, while the auto-off feature helps conserve battery life. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned baker, the Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale offers reliable accuracy and ease of use. Its affordability and performance make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. I hope this roundup of the top 5 best digital kitchen scales helps you find the perfect one for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. Let me know your favorite scale in the comments.